Alright. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Vanilla Lime Coke. I'm gonna try to do a few videos, hopefully before the year's out. Got at least 3 things planned. Let's start with number 1. I found these at Walmart yesterday. I actually found these online, and they look brand new, so I didn't buy them online because I thought they'd be coming out in the store, and long behold, I found them at a store. So I wonder how this is. I like the smoky barbecue, not really a sweet barbecue. I guess sweet's okay, but like the Korean sweet barbecue or Indian sweet barbecue, I don't know, I don't like it. Anyway, open this up. They say these are wavy, rigid. It does smell like this, the sickly sweet, which I don't like. Let me take a look at these. This is what they look like. Interesting. Let's see right there. I really don't taste the Pringle chip that much. It's it's almost like thicker, like a cracker. I don't know. I mean, it has like a little spicy to it. It's not really sickly sweet. It's not really smoky barbecue. I don't know. It's okay. I don't know if I get it again. It's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I'll just put it that way. So maybe it'll grow on me. I don't know, but that's it for this video. See you next time. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, do all those things you do with the internet in the year 2018 and the upcoming year. See you next time.